10 lines on International Yoga Day. One. The International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on the 21st of June. 2. It was first celebrated in the year 2015. 3. The Prime Minister of India had proposed in the UN General Assembly to celebrate the occasion. 4. The first and grand celebration of the day was held at Rajpath in New Delhi, India. 5. The day is celebrated to promote yoga for the health benefits on the global level. 6. In the year 2021, the International Day of Yoga will fall on Monday. 7. The theme for International Day of Yoga 2021 is Yoga for Well-being. 8. The yoga session on the day is also organized by various educational institutions and NGOs. 9. Though the International Day of Yoga is celebrated globally, it is celebrated in India on the grandest level. 10. International Day of Yoga provided a new definition to this 5,000 years practice by connecting a huge number of participants. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video and subscribe our channel for more educational videos.